This is eating time. I don't know why this was trying to eat a rope. I set this up, me and my grandson. And the person who gave it to me did not say the tarp was missing. So that middle one goes up a little higher, and then a tarp goes on the top, which I'll have to get, and then their food's underneath it so they can eat and not get wet. Liberty! The chicken food is chicken food. We go to this lesson every day. Her food's in the basement, right there where that door's open. I put it in there so they don't eat it. Uh-oh. Something just happened. I missed that. And Liberty's over here. I don't know what she did. Something happened. He got mad at her. He just started his monkey business. Which I got enough roosters. Too many. I gave away one. I'm hoping to get rid of one. This one will be leaving soon. There's my ducks. I don't want to make this too long, but everybody have a good day.